Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Overlooking the ocean, in the quiet community of Spring Valley St. Mary, is this beautiful, centrally located residential property situated on 17,705 square feet. The property contains 4 bedrooms with 4.5 bathrooms. There is spacious living area, kitchen, dining, beautiful staircase, ensuite bathrooms, walk-in closet, powder room, laundry area, and grill for added security. Other amenities includes water tank, hot water heater, and a single car garage. Located 5 minutes from Tower Isle and close to schools, churches, car marts, and the Caribbean Sea. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is £530,000, US 691.8 thousand, or Jamaican $106.4 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.